Welcome to our video about 11 low-carb breakfasts that do not include eggs. If you want to eat healthy, reduce carbs, and try something new, these breakfasts are perfect for you. They are easy to prepare, tasty, and keep you full for a long time. Almond flour pancakes. Mix almond flour, cream cheese, and a little sweetener. Cook in a pan until golden brown. These pancakes are low in carbs and high in healthy fats. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Take plain Greek yogurt and add fresh berries and sliced almonds. This meal gives you protein and antioxidants to start your day. Avocado smoothie. Blend ripe avocado, spinach, and unsweetened almond milk. This smoothie is creamy, full of good fats, and keeps you energized. Chia seed pudding. Soak chia seeds in coconut milk overnight. Add vanilla or fresh fruit in the morning. Chia seeds have fiber and omega-3 fats for good digestion. Cottage cheese bowl. Add cottage cheese to bowl. Top with fresh berries, granola, peanut butter, and honey. Sprinkle cinnamon and enjoy. Sausage and peppers bake. Bake sausage with bell peppers and cheese. This savory dish is filling and perfect for a low-carb diet. Cauliflower hash browns. Grate cauliflower, mix with cheese and spices, then fry into patties. These hash browns are a healthy alternative to potatoes. Keto smoothie bowl. Blend coconut milk, protein powder, and berries. Top with nuts and seeds for extra texture. Zucchini muffins. Make muffins using grated zucchini and almond flour. Bake until golden for a healthy treat. Low-carb granola. Mix nuts, seeds, and coconut flakes. Bake lightly and enjoy with almond milk or yogurt. Berry and nut butter wrap. Spread nut butter on a low-carb wrap and add fresh berries. Roll it up and eat. These breakfasts help control hunger, support weight loss, and give you steady energy throughout the morning. Try these easy, delicious low-carb breakfasts without eggs to start your day healthy and happy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and wellness tips.